Vapi Public School presents its journey of perseverance from the physical to the digital during the pandemic. We know what we are, but we know not what we may be. This Shakespearean quote sums up the situation of all teaching learning processes till 2020 came. And then the novel coronavirus entered our lives, and everything came to a standstill. We began our transition from the classroom to e learning. We did stumble, but we did not fall. We did stop for a while, but did not give up. When the students couldn't come to the school went to their homes. Our journey began from demos to videos, from chalkboards to whiteboards and screen sharing, from classroom to Zoom, and from Seats to Google Meet. We built upon the most important resource, the teacher. Trainings, workshops, and collaboration among teachers were promoted to develop a sense of togetherness. Google Classrooms and Google Forms became the new normal to evaluate and test our students. Celebrations were on the go throughout the session. Real emotions were seen and felt in virtual celebrations, and the distances did seem to disappear. We also successfully conducted various virtual orientation programs. At VPS, we have always stressed on wholesome education for our students. And even the pandemic couldn't stop our students from the comfort of their homes. They went on participating wholeheartedly in various social outreach programs and thus continued building their emotional quotient and the spiritual quotient along with their intelligence quotient. Amidst the cacophony of the chaos of the corona effect, our creative minds kept on working and we launched our annual magazine Samanvay digitally for the first time. Our annual theme of health and fitness has also been successfully implemented through various online sessions of yoga, meditation, and Zumba. Here we have some glimpses of our annual magazine Samanvay. Various activities of health and fitness were successfully conducted like Prabhat Feri, Fit India Walk and Run as well as cyclothon events where participants performed and sent their records through the various online platforms. We also successfully celebrated a Fit India School Week.
This is regarding the online classes being conducted by VPS in the month of March. We are very much thankful to all the VPS educators and the management staff for conducting these classes.
I really appreciated the management that they started the class on their scheduled date. It's really a very remarkable efforts for that they are taking.
महामारी में आज हमारे बच्चों का स्कूल का पढ़ने का टाइमिंग और पढ़ाई करने का सिस्टम बहुत अच्छी तरह से चल रहा है। खास करके जो वापी पब्लिक स्कूल में है उसकी पढ़ाई बहुत ही सिस्टम अच्छा है और ढंग से चल रही है।
A very good start which the Vapi Public School has taken.
So it is very good movement by VPS. Student as well as anyone could come out from their home, especially in this pandemic situation.
Wash, wash, wash your head, wash it properly. Don't forget to wash for 20 seconds clean. 2 ways. The equator on 0 degrees divides the earth into 2 equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Some special latitudes are also given some special names. Good morning, namaste. My name is Kanachan. Today I will make healthy vegetable sandwich with my father. For this ingredients are cucumber, carrot, capsicum, sweet corn, tomato, and paneer.
We will also use green chutney and some spices like salt, chaat masala.
Project Samyukta, an integrated effort by the parents, school, and students, was successfully conducted. The sole objective of this was only to develop an interesting approach towards the various academic subjects during this period of our online teaching and learning. This sudden unforeseen situation of the pandemic has made us learn, unlearn, and relearn many things. Our sole aim during these tough times of transition from the physical to the digital has been to seek, to strive, to find, and never to yield. Thank you, everyone. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.